Hi, today we're going to show you how to create a new work order in the VercX app. So you launch your VercX app, you'll get to the dashboard which has the number of work orders in various stages of work. You also have the option to start a new work order from here. Another place to start a new work order is from the menu, new work. So let's say I'm going in trying to create a new work order. So you get to choose the services that you want to perform. You also have an option to look at the recently performed services and just use that. So in our case, I'll use the bedliner service. So bedliner service have various types of services. Say I'm gonna pick long bedliner, and as I pick the long bedliner, it shows me the process that it's gonna follow to record this work order. So I hit next. The first step is to capture the customer information, who the customer is, what location it is on. So this app is geo enabled, and by default it's going to look for the nearest customer to your location and find that. You always have an option to go back and change it to another customer. Hit next. It gives you the option to scan a VIN number. So there are two types of scans available over here. One is the regular barcode and one is the 3D barcode. So I'm going to select the regular barcode. This type of barcode is typically found on the pillar of the truck or the car. As you scan the VIN number, it's going to bring in the year, make, model for you. And then you have an option to put in the vehicle condition information. It also lets you take as many pictures as you want. So let's say I want to take a picture, use the picture. Also I can make notes like, let's say there's a scratch on the door handle. I can take as many pictures as I want. In this particular case, I'm just showing you one. Hit next. So now it lets you see the service that you chose. So we chose a very long bedliner. It also gives you the ability to add any additional services at this point. So let's say we're gonna do a tint job on this truck while we are doing the bedliner job. So I hit add and I choose services and I choose the tint one window. I hit add and it adds the tint job to it. The important thing to note over here is pricing. So pricing is pre-configured by the job, by the customer, and these options are all available in the admin tool to be configured. So in this particular case, the long bedliners is $250 for this particular customer. It could be a different number for different customers. Hit next. I can enter a PO number. Let's say my customer gave me a PO number. I can enter that. I can enter some other notes. My contact at this location is John. I can also attach pictures at this point. So let's say they have a PO or something. I want to take a picture of it. I can do that as well. Hit submit and the work order is recorded. It takes me back to the dashboard. The work order is put into the new stage and I can also access it using the workflow.